Hi guys! Welcome to the Panda Vlogs. I'm Bianca Magsino, and in today's video, I'm gonna be doing what I eat in a day. And I just woke up. It's around 7:52. Well, I woke up at 7:30-ish. I put in a little bit of makeup, like super little bit of makeup, just so that I wouldn't look pale. Anyway, let's get started and get some coffee. So let's start first with coffee. The first thing that I'll be putting is this Teami Collagen. This one. So I'll just be needing a scoop of tea. And I put this first so that it will be dissolved by the coffee itself. So one is enough. And then for my coffee, this is the one that I like. This is my favorite, the Krispy Kreme Classic. So while waiting for my oven toaster to cook the bacon, I'm gonna be sharing to you this Teami Blends Beauty Butterfly Collagen that I drink with my coffee. So I use this every single day, and I've used it maybe 3 to 4 times already, and I've seen some changes with my hair, skin, and also nails. And this is actually made from wild-caught marine collagen, but it doesn't taste fishy. Well, it smells fishy, that I would have to say and be honest with you, but once you mix it with the drink, it wouldn't taste like that anymore. It doesn't affect the taste of the drink, which I really like. As I've said in my get ready with me to work when I first showed this to you guys, that I was scared because of the smell, but good thing it didn't taste like that. So that's really a plus. So this is a supplement, therefore it's not a magic that once you take it once a day, then you'll see the changes or abrupt changes. It's a supplement, so therefore the benefits are long term, and it's not a magic as a snap. No, it's not. So as what I've said, I've been taking it for 3 to 4 weeks already, and I've noticed some changes already. So let's start first with my hair. My hair becomes more manageable, and as you can see, it's still dry. But before, I couldn't comb my hair, or I couldn't go out without using any leave-on conditioner. But now I've managed it. I mean, I don't need to put on leave-in conditioner anymore every single day, because I know it's still chemicals, right? It makes my hair soft, but it's still chemicals, so I don't want that. That's a good thing, because I've really been struggling with my hair since I've bleached it like 3 to 4 times the past year. Now let's move on to the skin, and you guys know that I've been experiencing maskne or mask acne. My skin just hates mask, and ever since the COVID thing that happened, I've had worse skin. But recently, I'm working already, right? I've told you guys on my get ready with me to work, and I was scared because, of course, I'm gonna be wearing mask for long hours during the day. But as you can see, I'm not breaking out anymore. These are just like pimple marks from my previous acne, and this is the only active pimple that I have, and I'm super glad, because I feel like this is because I'm PMSing already, and I'm super happy because before, whenever I wear a mask continuously, like every single day, I would get a lot of acne on my cheeks. Hopefully it stays that way, because I really need my old skin back, or my clear skin back. So that's why I continuously drink this every day, because I feel like it really helps me. So, and also if you want to try this Teami Blends Beauty Butterfly Collagen, I would be putting my discount code here. It's BiancaM20 for 20% off, minimum of $40. So I'll be putting the link in the description box as well. So I'm just gonna finish my coffee, and let's see if the bacon is already cooked, so that I can make my bacon avocado wrap.
For lunch, I'll be eating salmon sashimi and avocado roll. We'll be eating in the car because there's no dining. I ate cheese rolls for merienda. I wasn't able to vlog about it because I was super hungry. Vietnamese soup for dinner, as well as rice and sisig, of course.
And that is it for today's video. I kind of picked a wrong schedule to film this video since we had a gas leak in our house, so they're repairing it. That's why we cannot use the stove, so we cannot cook. That's why tina-toaster ko lang yung food ko kaninang breakfast. But let me know if you want me to do a new one, and if you want me to create more cooking or baking content. I actually miss baking, and dapat magbe-bake ako kasi nga off ko, but you know, things happened and we cannot use the oven or the stove. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to click the like button, comment down below your next video suggestions, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell button right beside it so that you'll be notified every time that I post. God bless and stay healthy.